Hello there, welcome to my channel. Thank you for joining me today. My name is Annie. I hope you are doing well. So as you can see, I am currently in our garden and it's raining a little bit. We've got a bit of an overcast, but anyway, we have a new project coming up. My husband is going to help me build a deck in this little corner of my garden. So I will show you around the area which we are going to work with, and also we will show you the tools that we will be using throughout this DIY. So let's get into it. So this is the area which we are going to work with. It's been very dry and the ground is quite hard. As you can see, some of my flowers didn't really make it. Now, my husband and I, we are preparing the grounds so that we can get the deck going. I'm making sure that my plants are safely on the other side of the garden. And I'm happy to say that some of my flowers did survived, like these two. Over here, we're trying to make sure that the ground is leveled. I'm really just following the professional here. I have no idea what I'm doing, but I am learning. So over here, I had to ask husband to pull up his bands because we don't want no flashes over here. We are trying to figure out what is the best way to go about leveling the ground. So here we are using a regular piece of garden string just to find the level of the ground. Pull up your trousers, husband. While he clears the area and levels the ground, I continue to remove everything out of the way. And here my strong man is helping me with the heavy lifting. better? So this rose plant have been moved too many times before, and yeah, I'm going to move it again today. So here I am trying to be as careful as I can to move it out, and I am going to yet again plant it somewhere else. I hope it's going to survive. Now I'm still trying to level the ground. I'm using a rack and yeah, just tidy the area as much as we could. It's hard work, but I enjoyed it. At this point, husband took over again, working on the area where we're going to lay the decking. And the way we have decided to build it is in a way that when we do move, we are able to just lift everything up and go. I'm using this shovel like I've used it before. And yeah, just working again all around to make that gap where the deck will sit. And husband came to the rescue. He made a DIY tool that was great actually. We use it to move the dirt around and tap, tap, tap. It helped to level the ground as much as possible. So yeah, sometimes we have to improvise and make things work. It was quite fun actually. I enjoyed that. So we had to measure once, measure twice, three times, four times, over and over again, just to really make sure that everything was very well leveled and measured. And here we are preparing the wood, measuring again, and learning how to use this tool. Apparently it's a square, but for me it's a triangle. But hey, what do I know? And again, making sure that safety comes first. I'm wearing my protecting eye gear, and this is the first time I handle a power tool. So my husband was showing me how to use this and also to be safe while using it. It was a bit wobbly, but that was my first cut. Yay! Right, this is when we laid the wood, and this is how big or small our deck is going to be. Is It sat just under a kitchen window, so this is the back door, sorry, coming into the back garden. And this is the first time I use an electrical screwdriver. Again, I was a bit wobbly at first, but eventually I got the hang of it. Here we're working on the foundation again, so we have measured everything, and now we are starting to screw all the base of the deck together. And again, making sure everything is leveled up. Oh my goodness, look at the grass. It's been so hot and very dry. We've not had a lot of rain this summer, surprisingly. You know, UK is known for very wet weather, very wet season, but so far it's been really hot and really dry. I've tried my best to water my plants, but some of them are struggling, a bit like me, to be fair. So here, husband is using an extra piece of wood just to make sure that when we move the foundation to the location where the deck is going to be, it's not going to distort the shape. So everything is going to stay nice and square. And you can see he's a true carpenter. He's got his pencil at the top of his ears, but he still loses it. And I really got the hang of this screwdriver, and yeah, I was really enjoying using it. And yeah, I'm always messing about. I'm always up for a laugh. So this end of the deck is where the front door, sorry, the back door will be. Just making sure that everything is nice and leveled and straight. So this is the final piece of the foundation. I don't know a lot about carpentry, but I have learned a lot, and I know there's a lot still to learn. But yeah, it's been an enjoyable journey so far. So, guys, this is the end of part one. Thank you so much for following me around our garden, and looking forward to see the end result of our deck. Again, thank you, and enjoy the rest of your day. Until next time, stay tuned for part two. Bye for now.